everybody, it's Chelsea. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we are going to show you how to boil shrimp at home that are going to be so easy to peel. So let's get started. So fill your pot about halfway with water. Add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of salt. And you're going to want to make sure that your fire temp is on high because we want this to come to a rolling boil. Next, you'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And finally, we'll stir everything around and then we'll add the seasoning. So take a half a cup of Zatarain's crab boil. If that's not available at your local grocery store, I'm going to leave a link below because you can order it. And all you need is half a cup. These beautiful Gulf shrimp were seasoned perfectly. Take a look at these shrimp. They've got the shells on, heads off. You can boil them with the heads on. There we go. That's a rolling boil, and that's what we're looking for. And we'll add the shrimp. And once you add the shrimp, you'll know that it's going to lower the temperature. And it is a great idea to stir around your seasonings right before you add the shrimp in. Those are beautiful Mississippi Gulf Coast shrimp. Or not Mississippi, actually. These are Alabama. Beautiful. So it's going to take a couple of minutes for the temperature to raise enough that this comes to a rolling boil again. And that's what we're looking for. The shrimp are already turning pink, so they're partially cooked. You definitely want to stir them around a little. Now we're getting close. And you'll see in a moment what that true rolling boil looks like. So once you start getting these great bubbles going, you want to set your timer for 1 minute and let them cook at this high temperature. So you'll stay with it for a minute, and then your shrimp are done. I'll show you the next couple of steps to do to make sure that those shells don't stick to the shrimp. And in the future, we're going to do a video and show you how to add in vegetables. If you want to do some corn or potatoes, garlic, we'll show you how to do that. So leave a comment below if that's something that you're interested in learning how to do. So these shrimp are almost done. So once your timer goes off, you're going to turn the heat off. And no, don't let them soak. You're going to take them off the heat. And we'll go over to the kitchen sink. And you're going to drain that hot liquid off of the shrimp. And just be careful that steam is hot and that pot is hot. So you shake them around and then add ice. You heard me right, add ice. Cool the shrimp off, and they're going to need to cool off for a minimum of 5 minutes, but 10 is so much better. 10 minutes seems to be the magic time period. And then you'll be able to peel these shrimp easily. So there they are, all cooled off. And my tall, dark, handsome New Orleans man is going to show you how to peel a shrimp. Pinch that tail. So that's step 1. Step 2 is just to grab the legs and shell and just peel it away. So if shrimp are boiled properly, it's really a 2-step process. And there you go, perfectly boiled New Orleans style shrimp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and I will see you on the next video.